start of my YouTube channel, many people, like my friends, my faculty, even my parents, in fact, they told, why did you make video about your subject, food technology, and because since many people don't have any idea about that, and even their interest is towards food technology, because of the lack of knowledge, they tend to take some other subject, some other field. So I wanted to make an informative video because you are studying that, so it will be very easy for you. It will be a cakewalk. You can easily make a video about that, so please make it. And लेकिन वो बोलते रहे, लेकिन कभी बना नहीं, because कभी एक बार भूल जाती थी, but so today, this is a different kind of a video. This is more of a informative kind of a video about my subject, a subject in which I graduated and currently pursuing masters. The subject is food science and technology. So this video is all about food, and food again. So let's begin. So starting with, I have noticed that majority people, they don't have any idea about food technology or areas around this subject. Like people have an idea about hotel management, chef, um, and industrial areas, like which is related to chemicals, right? But they don't have idea about food science and technology, food processing, what is quality evaluation and all. See, chemistry students, they might have an idea about it, but quality control. But usually in general, if you ask what is quality control, what is food processing and all, people don't have any idea. So this video is all about doubt clarification about what is food technology and what are general people's knowledge about food technology. I've prepared notes for you guys. So let's begin. What is food technology? So, coming with an answer, it's a mixture of answers. Like people usually think, what is food technology? So, I say is processing of a raw material into a processed or a perfect kind of a food. Like, for example, aloo, potatoes to chips. That is food technology. That is invention of new kind of products. For example, Yakult. Yakult, like Yakult, which we never even heard like around 50 years back. Now there's a product called Yakult. For example, there was no no such product like beetroot chips. Like I'm just giving an example, beetroot chips, but they around like 100 years back. But now, if you want to have some beetroot chips, you can have beetroot chips, so something like that. So Yakult, beetroot chips. I mean, I know it sounds weird, but I just took a name. So this area, like where people work in new kind of food product development or new kind of innovation or processing, or redefining the same old product into a new product with greater shelf life and all, comes under the branch of food technology. So the next comes, what are the branches of food technology? So many people will be asking, like, what are the difference or what are the branches of food technology? So these are the three main branches of food technology: quality, processing, and new product development. So what comes into quality is the quality control and the measurement. Suppose you are, or anyone is working in a biscuit industry or biscuit factory, there are certain rules and regulations under which the quality of the biscuit should be kept in control, because that is like the safe limit of consumption, and there is absolute neatness and all is maintained. That comes under quality. What is processing? Suppose the same biscuit factory where you are working in, and how the biscuit is made, like from the flour to the process of making baked biscuits, that entire processing comes under food processing and technology. And what is NPD? It's a short form, an acronym. NPD is new product development. That is, as I told you, like new innovative products which are new to the market, which we have never heard of, or reinventing the old products into new products with better shelf life, with better nutrient content, etc. and etc. Okay, so basic question everyone asks, like even people in my family, they asked me like when I told them that I want to go into food technology, and they were like, "Are you gonna be chef?" No, no, no. It's a big no because food technology, hotel management, chef, they are like different things. Because yes, chef does come under hotel management to a certain level, I guess. I don't have an idea about that. But food technology people, they are not necessarily be chefs because there are many industries in food which like they don't need to be prepared immediately, like they are processed and they can be consumed even after 3 months, 6 months or 1 year. So we work in that industry where new product is developed, immediate consumption type of food is developed, the food is processed, how it is processed we learn about that, and how the shelf life is increased, and how the same product the nutrition content is increased. We study that in terms of subjects and we work in that industries where these works are done. So yes, we are definitely not chefs. Well, what did I study in my bachelor's and master's? So coming to my bachelor's, see anyone who want to enter into food industry, they can do their bachelor's or master's in any of the food related courses like food science and technology. You have food processing and technology as a subject also. You have food quality and management, you have food safety and enhancement, and you also have food innovation and science, food science and innovation as bachelor's and master's degree. So these are certain kind of specializations. Yes, we even study nutrition as a subject. So you can in your master's or bachelor's do food science and nutrition also. See, there's a difference between clinical nutrition and food science and nutrition or food science and technology. Yes, we do have subjects, we do study subjects about clinical nutrition, but that will be like 1 to 3 subjects max. But nutrition is not as the main subject over there. The main subject will be food technology, food processing, dairy technology, etc. and etc. Study about dairy technology, food processing. We studied about animal as food, and we even studied about plant food, new product development, and many more. And we did even study about spices, the technology of spices, because as we know that India is known for spices, and there is a lot of uh, different variety of spices which are found. So studying about that is one of the important aspects. Then we even studied about food safety. What are the food safety rules, what are the ISO standardizations, etc. So yes, every semester there are variation in subjects, which and will make the subject make sure that you have a touch of each other's subjects, like quality, the food safety and processing, and etc. So that's it, guys. These are the basic questions people want to know about food technology and food sector. I hope I've answered your questions, and any more doubts, we'll be coming with the next video of this series, and stay updated.